guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I made these planters. It's a very simple DIY which requires probably like half an hour. But before I give you more details, make sure that you subscribe to my channel and have your notifications on to get regular updates. Now let's get started. For the first DIY, I have taken ice cream container of which I have cut off the top part. Now I am going to stick these ice cream sticks to this container. Now I'll be color it brown. Now I'm highlighting it with gold acrylic color to give it a bit rusty look. So now I'm giving ombre effect with a light color in the middle so that whatever I write in the middle can be highlighted. Now I'm writing home here. You guys can write anything you like. Now I'll be using this decoupage paper. Now I'm using a wet brush to cut out the pieces I want. Now with the help of a Mod Podge, I'm going to apply this decoupage paper on the planter. Now for the second DIY, I'm starting with making a gesso paste, for which you just have to mix 1 part of plaster of Paris with 1 part of Fevicol and 1 part of water as required. Now apply the mixture on the planter and let it dry for a while. Now I'm just coloring the planter with this peachy pink color. Now with this rough bristle brush, I am trying to give a gold color design to this planter. Now I'm coloring the bottom and the upper part with the gold acrylic color. So for the third DIY, I've taken this old planter that I made out of ice cream container, and I'm just gonna paste this decoupage paper to give it a makeover. And it's done. Let me know what do you think of this quick and easy DIY and share your views in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll talk to you guys soon in my next DIY video. Till then, take care and stay safe.